How to set up the health bar.
Guys, let's end our second level. We want that the health bar decrease whenever fireball touch the player. Here is the result. So you can see that each time we are touched by the prefab, the level is decreasing. So to do so, guys, it's very easy. First, just be sure that your fireball, which is inside the prefab folder, is tagged fireball. This is the first condition. If it's not, please create your tag from this add tag. Then guys, return to Visual Studio, and inside the player controller script we have to call the edge damage method from the on trigger entered to the method. If you remember, we already called this method whenever the player enter inside the dead zone. So this time we need just to recopy this line to add those two vertical line, which mean OR, it is a logical OR for Visual Studio. Then guys, instead of writing dead zone, you have to write for the second tag fireball. That's it, guys. Then if you save the game and you replay the game, you will have the result expected.
Guys, to set up the health bar, please see the video of the dead zone.